Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali, and for today's video we are going to do a BOXYLUXE unboxing for the month of December. I'm super excited. I got this Sunday. We don't ever get mail here Sunday, so when I saw it I was like shocked. I was shook to the core. So before the video gets super long, let's get into it. I did already cut off the tape on the bottom. And okay, so we're gonna open it up here. So the first thing we see here is the little card, and it says "Tis the season, BOXYLUXE," and here's the pamphlet. These are huge, and on the back is what we got, and there's some coupons down here. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing that I see on the top is this Glam Bag, and it's called Glam AF. It's like a makeup bag or like a little hand purse. Super cute. I can totally see myself using this. And then on the inside it has a charger, like a phone charger in here, and it says Beauty Killer. Crimes of Beauty, I'm sorry. I love to pop these. So fun. Okay, anyways, and here what the bag looks like, and then on the inside it has like a divider. So you can divide your products, I guess. It's super cute. I do like this. This one goes for $22. So this one goes for $22. I don't know if that includes with the charger or not. I don't know, but $22. The next thing we have here is a sponge egg, multiple use Blossom Bliss body wash infused buffer. So they're kind of like a sponge. I can smell it from right here. It smells so good. So I guess you just go like this and just wash up with this. I'm super excited to try this out. It smells really good. This one goes for $20. And then also what they were doing this month was either a mini hair straightener or a palette. And I really don't straighten out my hair that much for a straightener, so I decided to get another palette. I am obsessed with palettes, so I was like, another palette won't hurt. So I did get this palette, but this goes for $34 here. Oh, and you open it up and it looks like it has a really nice heavy mirror, but here are the colors. Really pretty. So 2 highlighters, 4 matte and 2 shimmery right here. Super pretty. I love this. The next thing, also this, I was super excited to see this in the box. I was kind of disappointed because I saw that they were going to be receiving this in the regular BOXYLUXE box, and I was like, I really want to try this out. So when I opened it, I was super shocked, excited to have this in my box. This is a Pretty Vulgar, the powder room matte About It. It's cute. Translucent setting powder. Look at the packaging. Super cute. I've been obsessed with powders lately. I don't know why. But look at the puff inside. It's a pink little puff. And then here is the powder in there. So yeah, this one goes for $32. This powder goes for $32. Next is this Pro Collagen Cream. It's an anti-aging for fine lines and wrinkles. And this one's kind of expensive. This one, $89 for this little cream. So that's expensive. That's crazy. It smells kind of good. Kind of smells like roses. So the next things we have in here is a Tarteless Shimmering Lip Paint in the color Insta Famous, and that one goes for $20. I'm not a big fan of lip glosses or lip stains, anything like that, so I might give this to my sister. So let's swatch this for you guys. Here's the color. So I might give this to my sister. Maybe she'll take more use out of this. I'm probably not. So $20 for that. Next thing is we have this Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. And this one goes for $25. That's kind of expensive. So I'm not gonna open this because I do have a couple mascaras that I'm trying out at the moment. I want to open this until I'm ready to use it. So yeah, $25. That's kind of a lot for a mascara. So I will try it out and let you guys know how I like it. The next two things is what I'm super excited about. I am over the moon about. So I'm gonna show you the, I mean, can you just look at this? It's a brush set from Luxie. This is amazing. This is so cool. So we take this off. And here comes the brushes. The packaging is so cute. Let's see. Oh. So here are the brushes. It looks like this. So it has like 2 face brushes and 4 eye brushes. So super excited about this. I am super excited to try this one out. This is like a foundation brush and they're so soft. And then if you guys see on the inside, it comes with like these little rubbery things. It's so cute. I can even have this out on display. Like this, on my desk. So cute. I love this. I just love this. And this one goes for $65. I mean, hello. I'm super stoked about this. You guys have no idea. And last thing we have in here is this Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. On the back it says hashtag my holy grail. And this is so amazing. I don't own any Violet Voss palettes. Okay, I'm out of breath. Okay, so I had to take out the whole packaging. So here's the palette. Super cute. It feels so really strong. It feels so sturdy. It feels so good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. That's what I meant to say. But here's the packaging in the front. And here's the back. Super cute. And now let's open it on the inside. Oh my, did you guys hear that? Oh, still satisfying. So look, it has a huge mirror. And it's so, like, it feels really expensive. So here's the shadow right here. Like, I love this one. Wine and Dine. Oops, I almost, look at that. I mean, look at that. It's so pretty. I accidentally stabbed it with my nail right here. But look at these colors. Are amazing. I was super excited to try this palette out. I love this color. Oh my god, this is amazing. Like, I'm super excited that I got this box this month. And that is everything that I got in today's box. I'm super stoked about this. I cannot believe I got it. I'm super excited. So yeah, so that is everything for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that wonderful stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.